ViewTech Borescope's newest video borescope, the VJ-4, is equipped with many new options, including Wi-Fi connectivity, to assist with essential maintenance and inspection requirements. The Wi-Fi setting enables live VJ-4 video borescope inspection feeds to be streamed to nearby Wi-Fi-enabled devices. This video will review the recommended screen sharing app for your device, as well as the settings and steps required to begin streaming live inspection feeds to your Android device. First, we recommend utilizing the VLC Media Player app to stream a live VJ-4 video borescope inspection feed. Scan the QR code here or follow the link in the text description to download the app to your device. Once you have downloaded the VLC Media Player app, begin by accessing the System Settings menu and selecting Wi-Fi setting, which is located on the second screen. Select On to enable the VJ-4 video borescope's Wi-Fi connectivity. Next, on your Android device, change your Wi-Fi source to Endoscope and enter the Endoscope Wi-Fi password listed on the screen. Now open the VLC Media Player app and select New Stream, followed by typing in the network address which is displayed on the screen. Once this RTSP address has been entered, click the arrow for the inspection stream to begin streaming on your Android device. Once the inspection has been completed or the live inspection feed no longer needs to be streamed, be sure to turn the Wi-Fi setting to off to end sharing connectivity. The best way to experience a ViewTech video borescope is with our free on-site demo program. Call to speak with one of our knowledgeable video borescope experts, and we will help find the best borescope for your inspection needs. You will quickly realize why ViewTech Borescopes is the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America.